Sí, o sea, que estoy grabando con esa que me dijiste. Pero entonces que empezar de nuevo que ya está grabando. Hello, hello Astrid, how are you? Fine, thanks. Um, in this video, I am going to talk about our reflection of the video, how to improve the things that matters to you. Um, okay, I give my opinion. Um, can say that I had learned new ideas that helped me grow internally and improve in the all aspect of my life. The learning song is very special and of utmost importance before exercising any role or paper. When we are learning, we certainly make mistakes, as we learn and evidently this may use expert and therefore improve. But when we are in the performance zone, exerting our abilities and demonstrating our skill, we can not forget the learning zone. Okay, Astrid. I think um, also that the self-evaluation is for me a way of learning. When I ask myself, um, and I don't think right, what has I failed, what could improve, and I think that the resolving this self-assessment is based in the learning zone to make decisions that help me improve when I come back in the performance zone again. Okay, Astrid, good contribution. Um, Finally, uh, I think that the bad songs, uh, the area of learning and performance songs are important in the lives of the people. Mm, okay. Um, Now, uh, this to apply uh, this knowledge, I think uh, that as we uh, how future teachers of English must constantly learn, learn, learn again and again to improve every day. Okay, Astrid. Astrid, I had a question for you. Astrid, I had a question for you. Mm, mm, the question is, uh, what do you do for to improve every day as English teacher? Future. For example, I practicing and practicing every day my level of English. You practicing? Okay, is better. Okay, Astrid, we have finished. Okay, bye.